Oh my gosh. What the hell is in here? I like it when it's really thick. What is up, you guys? Welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a Louis Vuitton collective haul. I've got 7 items in total, 6 of which I'm going to share with you today. The 6 items I purchased over the last couple of months. The 7th item I'm going to share with you once I reach my 5,000 subscriber milestone. And today I am filming 2 videos back to back. So I'm going to be wearing the same outfit in both videos, just in case you guys wonder. Before I jump right into this video, I'd just like to introduce myself for those who are new. Hello, my name is Kim and I'm a crazy bag lover. I live and breathe bags. I love bags, I love jewelry, I love fashion. If you're a crazy bag lover like I am, I'd love it if you would hit that subscribe button and join the family. Make sure you click on the notification bell just to make sure you don't miss out on my future uploads. And with that being said, let's jump right into this video. So yeah, let's start off with the first item. I shared this one with you guys on my Instagram stories and on Instagram already. So I did order this one from Louis Vuitton Client Services. It came in this box, has the ribbon and the receipt and dust bag. So the item that came in this dust bag is, ta-da! This here is the Louis Vuitton Desk Agenda, and it comes in just the one size. So I have had this previously once before. I had it for about a year, but I never used it and I sold it. I'm kicking myself because the prices of these have jumped up so much. In the past, it has been quite hard to get and I thought it was discontinued. These have since gone up to 820 Australian dollars, which is crazy, right? Just for a notebook cover. I originally pressed this one online. When it arrived, I was just in complete shock because it just stank. It was smelly. It smelled like dirty feet. I couldn't stand it. The dust bag had a hole in it and the inside of it looked like it said made in France. But yeah, it was so smelly, so I had to return it. So I ordered another one. I've got some inserts here that I purchased from Officeworks. So this one's $8.95, this one's $1.97. I just write my notes in here, to-do list here, and I love it and I've been using it every single day since I got it, so I absolutely love it and it's not leaving my collection. So I do have the Desk Agenda MM. I have the GM in Damier Ben, and I also have the GM in Monogram. It looks great on the desk. The thing is that the rings get in the way, and also these buttons wear quite quickly. Every time I want to write in it, I've seen a lot of people do this as well. They open the rings, they take a page out, they write their thing, and they put it back in. And it's quite tedious, so I don't like that about it. I mean, it's great to hold in the hand because this size is so good to hold in the hand. I like it when my agendas are nice and thick and chunky. I'm yet to find like a really nice thick insert for it. And it smells amazing. Fresh Louis Vuitton smells incredible. I absolutely love that. So that's the first item that I got. So the next item that I'm gonna share with you came in this large shopper bag. Give you a sneak peek of what's inside. The 7th item that I'm talking about that I'm not going to open, which I haven't actually opened yet, I purchased this one a couple of weeks ago, comes in this, oh my gosh, what is in here? So anyway, this 7th item I'm going to wait until I reach my 5,000 subscriber milestone, so I can't talk, my braces are in the way. I'll open that one in another video. And then the item comes in this large box and I have a whole bunch of receipts. I did a little bit of damage. It's very, very heavy. It's very, very heavy. I'll just undo the ribbon. I'll undress it. Alright. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. This comes in this big dust bag. Alright, revealing to you. Ta-da! This one is the Louis Vuitton Nice BB in the gorgeous monogram. It's got the gold hardware and the Vachette leather trimming. So this one is an item that I have owned twice previously before, and I have sold it twice. It's an item that I didn't have enough space on my vanity because I had too much makeup. I wasn't really using it for anything. I have used one previously once before for camera equipment, but that's about it. I thought, oh, it's just a waste sitting there. I wasn't really using it. I do love the aesthetics of this. This is such a stunning piece. And, you know, Louis Vuitton are known to make gorgeous luggage pieces. So it comes in multiple sizes. You've got the original Nice, which was made for a makeup travel case. You've got the Nice BB, you've got the Nice Mini, and then you've got the Nice Nano, which is quite cute, just newly released. So I've got this. This is absolutely stunning. I'm going to put this one on my vanity. I've seen some people use this one as a vase, which is great. You can put some flowers popping up from out of here and it looks stunning. This one came in at 1,000 530, I believe, and I purchased this one prior to the price increase. It is now at 1,610. So when you open this up, you've got, ta-da! Da-da-da! I've got the Louis Vuitton Nice Mini. So this one and this one I got from the Louis Vuitton Chadstone Boutique. This one can be used as a little bag. I've seen some people use this one for going out and it looks so adorable. You know, I've seen some people attach some little D-rings here, have a little crossbody strap. I just like it like this, handheld, and you can attach a little twilly on it. So this one, when it first came out, was about 960 Australian dollars. This one here I paid 1,200. When it first came out, this one was about 960. One of the reasons why I sold the Nice BB was the Vachette leather trimming. I was scared to use it because I'm like, oh, but I don't want it to patina too much. I just thought I just sat there and I didn't have the space for it really, so I sold it. Regretted it because it has jumped up in price so much. It's nearly doubled in price. It's just gonna keep going up and up. So it's also got the wipeable interior lining inside, and then when I open this up, ta-da! This is so cute. I have the Louis Vuitton Nice Nano. So this one's just released. It is quite hard to get now. It's sold out. So I'm like, I can't have one without the other, right? What am I going to use this for? I don't know. It's just so adorable. This one was 970 Australian dollars. I can use this one as a little mini bag as well for going out. It's got the same wipeable interior lining. And then when we open it up, I have the Louis Vuitton reverse monogram card holder. When I look at it, it's got this Max Mara vibe. I wasn't really a fan of monogram reverse when it first came out, just because I felt like this was like a yucky poo color. So on one side it's got the monogram canvas with a little bit of reverse here. On the other side, it's got the reverse, and it's the same price as a normal monogram card holder, but then you get like 2 looks for the price of one, which is fantastic. This one here says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. It's still got all the still got the price on it. It says 285 Australian dollars. I paid 285 before the price increase. It has gone up by $10. So Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. This one doesn't have any compartments at all. It's just one little one. This one says Louis Vuitton, made in Italy. I think all these what is it, vanities are made in Italy. I think this one is made in Italy as well. And this one says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Italy. Yeah, made in Italy as well. So on the top handle of the Nice BB, you've got the little square rings, whereas a Nice Mini doesn't have that. It looks like the Pochette Métis, where it's just got these little leather vachette loops. So that's why I waited and didn't get it. I should have, because it's gone up in price like $200 something since. Look, when it comes to Louis Vuitton and their new releases, that is when you're going to get the best pricing. So sometimes you got to be really quick and be like, yep, I'm just going to order it. The very last item that I'm going to share with you today is a bag. I ordered this one from my gorgeous SM Tanya from Sydney. Hey Tanya. And I also got this one from her as well. So I got the Nice Nano, and she packaged it and wrapped it so nicely. I'm so grateful to have her. So this bag is quite hard to get in Australia. You have to put your name down on the wait list, and I waited for this one for a couple of months. It's been a while, 3 to 4 months. I thought it was going to be discontinued, but oh, thank goodness it's not. And oh my gosh, look at the packaging. It is incredible. My gorgeous SM Tanya, she included some red pockets, or hongbao, or lissé. It's like the Christmas ribbon with the gold detail. And then when you open it up, you get a dozen of these absolutely gorgeous red pockets. It says Louis Vuitton here, and then you've got the lock detail. And these ones are great because you can use it all year round. You can use it for weddings or birthdays or like special occasions, because it doesn't have a year of the rat or year of the anything on it. So it comes with this gorgeous red tissue paper. It's got the fleur-de-lis on it. It's got these cute little rats. I'll just zoom in and show you the tissue paper. So I'll take the box out, and then when you remove the tissue paper, I also get a shopping bag as well. So I've got my receipt here, which I'll share with you in a second. And one of the reasons why I had a whole bunch of receipts was because I was nest egging all of the Nice. I'll undress it with you. Take off the ribbon. It's a magnetic box. I'm just going to take it out. Alright, revealing to you. Can you guys guess what it is? It's got a handle. Alright, revealing to you. Ta-da! So this one here is the Louis Vuitton. So what I've got here is the Louis Vuitton Vanity PM. I was about to call it the Nice because it looks like the shape of all the Nices. But this is the Louis Vuitton Vanity PM. The thing that makes this bag for me is the reverse monogram on top. I just think this is what makes the bag. So we've got the black leather trimming, which goes great with the reverse. Fantastic because it's an all-weather bag. You've got the gorgeous classic monogram. Like the gold hardware on here is really substantial. The zipper pull tabs are in the shape of like a little leaf, and then on the bottom here, which I find is so cute, not only does it have the reverse canvas, but it's also got these 4 feet, which is quite substantial in size compared to the bag. These feet are really cute. They look like little buttons. So I'm gonna open this bag up. It's got the black like suede interior lining. The special thing about this particular bag is that this one is made in France. Majority of the Vanity PMs, from what I've seen, they're all made in Italy. So it comes with the little booklet. It's got one slip compartment at the back. You've got a little dust bag, and in this little dust bag you've got the lock and the key. I think I put my keys through here, which I can't be bothered. I'll do it another time. So one of the reasons why I love this bag so much is that it's got the black leather trim, so it's like an all-weather bag. You can wear it in the rain and not have to worry much about patinaing or discoloration or stains. It's got the gorgeous reverse monogram on top. You've got the top handle, which is easy to just grab and go. I can also wear this one on the crook of my arm. And then you've got this gorgeous strap, which is very unique. So this Vanity PM came in at $3,600. I did have a chance earlier in the year before lockdown to order with my SA from Chadstone pre-price increase, so it has increased by $300 because it is so unique. It's very cute. I know that I'll use this one a lot. It looks great with all my outfits, with my wardrobe. I do love it, and I think that it is like a really great addition to have. I'll compare it in size to the Nice Nano. Super duper cute. So cute. Oh, I love it. So cute. Very similar in size. Now I have the gorgeous matching card holder as well. So you've got the reverse monogram. This one I still think is at a fantastic price point because you're getting a 2-in-1. Some days you don't like this, you just flip it over and use it that way. If you don't like that, and you flip it over and use it this way. So it's great 2-in-1 for the exact same price. Usually reverse monogram pieces always cost a lot more. Love how carefree it is, and I just love the hardware. It's chunky. It looks like it's easy to maintain. I love that it's soft. It's got a very smooth zipper. This one's a little bit harder to get in and out of the Nice Minis. Yeah. Oh, the BB is okay. And because it's so cute, it is quite forgiving. I'm happy to be a little bit fidgety with this piece because I think that it is so worth it. And it's so adorable and very cute. So yeah, that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed my Louis Vuitton collective haul, pieces that I've purchased over the last couple of months. And yeah, so I got 3 Nices. So I got the bag, the card holder, and then there's something in here which you guys can win. If you haven't done so already and you do enjoy bags, you love jewelry, you love fashion, I would love it if you would join the family and subscribe. Click on the notification bell as well so you don't miss out on my future uploads. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Place the counter next time. I will see you in my next video. Bye!